What you see here is the GOP 300 SCE Professional, the powerful multi-cutter with tool-free accessory changes. The powerful 300-watt motor with constant electronic ensures consistent work progress in every application. Whereas with other tools you require additional tools, extra screws or a lot of strength to change the accessory, the GOP 300 SCE Professional makes it really easy. Thanks to its innovative SDS system, it now enables easy and tool-free changing of the accessory. The oscillating motion and the adjustable speed guarantee tear-free cuts without damaging the material. The slim design and the rubber-coated handle surface ensure comfortable work even in hard-to-reach areas. Experience for yourself the GOP 300 SCE Professional. Accessory changes in no time. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.